Welcome.
No! Oh my god! Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing some Pinterest crafts. So we're going to be building that. It's kind of like an instrument made of straw. So here are my 8, those are his 8. So we're basically just going to like cut it and then tape it together. Okay, so we have ours taped together like this and we're going to begin the cutting. Alright, we're finished, guys.
I'll put it. Okay, ready?
So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a paper airplane that looks like that. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna find out.
Okay, guys, we haven't tested it yet. We're gonna go test these outside and see if they work.
Yeah.
Bam. Are you okay, little boy? Okay. So we got a contest rules.
Ew.
We each start next to the drain pipe. Go.
No.
Okay, good test light, good test light.
Wow, go, yes.
Round 2 of the contest. This time we're going this way because we were against the wind last time. Go.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
oh, I gotta beat that. Ready? So we're going 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, redo.
Okay, restart. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Why does mine suck?
Woo!
Ready?
Whee!
So sadly, that's going to be the end of our video. If you like the video, then like it, obviously. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.